Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cynthia and I thank you for clicking on this video. As you guys can see in this video, you will get a huge haul. Hopefully, let's see what's in here. I've ordered, these are two separate orders, but I need to get them done all in one. One should be actually candles that I ordered from the $15.95 sale. That barely got here, I would say 2 days ago. Then this one got here today. That's why I came so I can bring it in the house. As you guys know, this week I'm spending time at my friend's house. But when she comes home from work, I can come do a little video and then head back. So let me do this really quickly. I don't want to spend too much time here. And yeah, let's get open this first box. This should be the candles. This should be some Halloween items and things I ordered from Halloween sale. It wasn't a sale where I got a discount. I'm just saying a sale where they finally opened it up online to sell on that Friday that they started selling the Halloween items. That's what I mean. Okay, so I just am opening it and you guys can see, yep, candles. So I got 4 candles because it was buy. You know what? Like I said, no, this one wasn't buy 2 get 2. You'll see which ones they are. But I did get another little pedestal. So let's do that. I've been wanting this one for a while. This has been on its way. This one I got with a reward. So it's $15.95. I was able to get a reward, use my rewards for it. And again, so this is just such a beauty. I'm happy. I will put in a candle here in a minute once I open one of these up. But let's open it. These are going to be like little gifts. So I've been telling you guys I've been getting pocket bags, but right now, especially, you guys know why. We need to use sanitize all the time. And I think that it makes such like a little great gift you can give to just about anyone. And it was only $3. So yeah, $3 for the 5 as opposed to in-store. When you get the newer ones, which is fine, it is buy 5 and you pay $8 for it. I got 2 of them. This is the passion fruit and banana flower, as you guys can see there. And there seems to none of them are spilled or anything. This one here, I like very much this scent. This is the pineapple mango. I really love this scent. It is really good. So again, these are going to be like little gifts that I'll give. And then when my kids go back to school, friends, what I've done, and I think I had shown you if you guys have been around on my channel from the beginning, that I actually like to give the teachers a little gift, especially after everything that's been going on. I feel like I have to be even more thankful than I ever been before. So here we go. Crisp morning air. I'll take them out of here and show you how they look. But for now, let's look this way so that I can then pause the video and take them out for you guys. And these were online exclusives. Crisp Morning Air was and Fall Farmhouse, and I believe these 2 as well. So those 2 are $15.95, but I did call to adjust my price and get the lower price. And then this is sea salt and linen. So this is an online exclusive, but it was $10.95, I believe. And this is sea salt and linen. So those are those 2 that I wanted to try. And that's all that's in here. So let me take those out of there so I can show you exactly, you know, like the wrapping, the wraparound, how it looks and everything. Okay, so let's show you really quickly. Fall Farmhouse, as we had shown you. Crisp Morning Air, Sea Salt and Linen. I really love the wraparound, the packaging on this, the black and white. I think it's so sleek and so nice. I will go into the notes in a minute for you guys. And then I really like this. It's supposed to be luminary, but the funny thing, like it tells you right here, see? But I don't feel like this is a real luminary for me. Okay, just for me. I don't see like any little peekaboo areas or anything like that. That's what I mean by that. Fall Farmhouse. I'm gonna say, I smelled this right now. I'm not too sure I like this scent. In fact, I'm so happy that I'm able to exchange in store, but I'm happy that I was able to like order it and then I can exchange it to something I really like in store. Let's see, the spiced pumpkin note. So the notes here: spiced pumpkin, forest pine branch, fresh fall air. So the thing about this, I don't know that spiced pumpkin and the forest pine branch go together. My opinion is I don't like it. I don't like those 2. And you guys know that I like pumpkin scents. I would even say probably forest pine too, but just not together with the pumpkin. feel like it doesn't go. That's just my opinion. And this one is going back. I don't like it. I get both of those scents. I definitely can smell it. I feel like the forest pine branch is stronger, but then I get this spice pumpkin scent in there mixed. Do not like it. Nope. I don't even want to smell it anymore. Okay. I always try to give things a chance, so I'll smell it again later, but that's just how I feel first impressions, okay? This one is good. Crisp morning air. I smelled it and I just felt like smelled the freshness. Yes. Ooh, just like a fresh, clean smell. That's exactly, it reminds me of something like sun-drenched linen, even laundry day. I'm not saying it smells like them. I'm saying that is the vibe that I get from this candle right here. So we have the notes as crisp fall breeze. See that fall breeze there? That's where you get, in my opinion, the clean scent. And then I feel like I get the sandalwood as well. Then it has white oak and golden amber wood. But I feel, in my opinion, like I get the soft sandalwood and the crisp fall breeze, and the fall breeze here being the note that makes it to me more of a fresh, clean smell. That's just my opinions, as I always like to say. That's just what I think about this candle right here. I like this one. This one's staying for sure. This one, we'll try again later. This right here, I'll tell you what vibe it gives me. It gives me spa vibes. Like you're at the spa and you get like, you know, lavender scents, things like that, that relaxes you. That is what I got from this as soon as I smelt it. I was thinking like lavender. It doesn't smell like lavender. It doesn't have that, but I'm just thinking that is usually what I think of when I smell something that puts me at a spa. White grapefruit, fresh salted air, and lemon zest. I don't even think it really smells really citrusy. I was trying to smell that. Let me have a look at this while I smell it. Maybe because it's a zest. So definitely it's not a citrus, but it's a lemon zest that's slightly there. Let's see what else. Fresh salted air, yeah. It just smells good. Just think of yourself being at a spa, okay? All right, so that is this one. Let me open up this box. This is what is probably the most exciting, but I told you guys I was going to put this in here, right? Let's do that really quickly. And there you go. Now that one, because of the color, goes so perfectly in this one. I love it for the fall. I am totally getting ready for fall with my Bath and Body Works decor and everything with the pedestals. I am getting ready. So that's this one. We'll leave it in there. Or should I take it out? Let me take it out. Let's open this box. Let me just take these out. And yeah, I don't show that. Let me show you. I didn't show you this one. One of them spilled. I can tell. I'm just going to have to wipe it down and close it correctly. I don't know which one it might have been. But yeah, that one's messy. The other one wasn't. Okay, okie dokie. We have... I need to save these in case I package anything, right? We have a lot in here. Oh my goodness. This is the buy two, get two. We have pumpkin carving because I told you guys that I wanted to have a backup. So here's my backups of the Halloween candles. Now I can be okay with burning at least one, having a backup. I personally love Girlfriend. I know some of you guys don't. Maybe I'm thinking you guys don't like florals, like ghostly peony, and then maybe the strawberry note. Those was strongest in there to me. What is this one? We'll have to take it out. Another wicked apple. If you guys watched my haul yesterday, see. So this is my third. So that, yeah. I have a total of 3, but I'm already going through one completely. So that's probably going to be an empty here pretty soon. That's that one. Let's see what's in here. You guys can see those cute pocket holes. Oh, yes. What? Look, they sent me one without a lid. Seriously, we're doing this now? This cost me $25.50. Well, never mind. Let's be nice. But I'm saying in general, this costs $25.50 and they come with no lids now. Thank God I saved my lids now and I have a whole... I actually was always saving my lids and I have a whole bunch of them. So ice dragon fruit. As soon as I took it out, I can smell this. So it still smells really good. I'm happy. Yes, I wanted a lid on it, but I do have extra lids, which I'll put on it. I actually have one like this I might put on it. Yeah, so we'll do that. I have single wicks. Let's see. These I got with my rewards. These are my last rewards I was able to get. Some of my last rewards I was able to get, right? Because now Bath and Body Works is telling me that I have reached my max. And I'm hearing from a lot of you guys that you guys are getting that same notice. I'm wondering if, I don't know. They should reward us and give us free shipping. Bourbon, and I believe these two were, no, actually I've seen this one in store. I thought I had got some online exclusives. Vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. When I smelled this one in store, it wasn't that strong. I have no idea what the notes are, but I would guess vanilla, pumpkin, and marshmallow. I like the smell of it. It smells like vanilla, and I can smell a little bit of the pumpkin, but I think because of the vanilla, it smells light, and I feel like this one already is not going to be a strong thrower. That's what I thought of it when I smelled it in store as well. So I'm debating on whether I should try it or I should just exchange it for a different one, so I don't deal. Because with one wicks, if it's already going to be a light thrower, then I don't know if it's worth it at all. But I do like it on cold. It's just that I don't know if it's going to give me, if I'm going to be able to smell it at all. Bourbon maple. I was excited for this one. I have no idea. Okay, so it should be bourbon and it should be maple. But what other notes are in here? I don't know. I like it. I can smell the maple the most. The bourbon, I don't know if I could smell the bourbon, but hold on. For sure, I can smell the maple. I like this one. Yes, this is a yes. This is probably one for my hallway. I don't want to put this one in my bathroom. I don't think I want to smell maple in the bathroom. Look at this little cute pocket back holder. It's like a little cat. Was I even showing you there? I don't know. But here, look at, I don't know. It's covering I think it looked better online. But it's still soft. Maybe I should exchange this one for the fox. I think I like the fox more. $8.95. How much is the fox? I'll see if I could do that. I might exchange it for the fox because it's just as bulky. I decided to get it because it was online and I had not seen this one in the stores. So I was like, let me get it. Let me see what it looks like in person. And now that I'm seeing it, and plus I love pink. I like the fox way better. So we're going to probably exchange that one. This is all for my family. You guys saw this in the haul yesterday, but this one's mine. The other one was my friend's. So yes, I love this one. And this one, I believe, let's see. I'm trying to see if it gets dark in here a little bit so that we can see if it glows a little bit in the dark. That's that one. You guys got to see this one as well in my haul from yesterday. This lights up. These are $12.95. There you go. And I think it's cute. Now I'm thinking, I don't know that I wouldn't keep this one. I think I'm going to give it to a teacher. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. So yeah, we'll do that. Vampire blood and you're the one. You're the one because I have a half of one that I've been keeping so that I could always basically have it, that I haven't wanted to finish burning. I'm going to finish burning the one I have and then I'll keep this one. This is my favorite scent. Yes, it is. It is a strong thrower as well, but it is a floral. So if you guys don't like florals, you will not like that one. And here's Vampire Blood. This is not that strong of a thrower for me. I've told you guys, but I do enjoy the scent. I would say put it in a smaller room. Let's see what's in this one. I know what's in this one, actually. It's a pedestal, friends. It is a pedestal. And it is, I will tell you. Actually, I'm not going to tell you. You guys are going to. Okay, so here we go. Look at, I got the wonky. That's what they call it. At least I saw it on that Pop Sugar website, that it was called the wonky. And I think they have this black. I think it looks like different tones. Yeah, it looks like different if you move it around. Okay, I still love it. I love this one. I am so happy to have gotten that. Let's put it right there. I'm gonna I'm gonna take those candles out, and then we're gonna place a candle on top, and we're gonna get to see it. Oh wait, I have a candle right here. Oh, let's see if it doesn't fall, because it's on the bed. It wanted to. Look at that. That's beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm so happy that I got it. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. I am getting set. $3.95, $3.95. We wish, right? $3. $39.95. This one right here, I feel like I could use all through the year, but yes, I love it. I am so happy to have it. Let me get these candles out so I can show you guys everything out. So here is everything out. I'm not sure. I don't think I gave you guys the notes, so please pause because I'm going to get going here. We have this iced dragon fruit. It has notes right here in the front, but you'll notice that it'll have an extra note or differently down here. So here we go. I do love this one. I do not smell the sweet coconut milk at all. That doesn't matter. This is such a really good scent. I actually think this is the lid to the other one because I was smelling this lid right now and it smells just like this candle. So I've already burned through one of these. So yeah, that's the lid to the old one I had of this one. Yeah, it is. And so you'll see it in an empties, which I'll try to do this empties video very soon here. We have You're the One, which is... It has a light pink wax, which you guys know if you watch me, I love when wax is a different color. We have white birch, velvety rose, and a drop of strawberry nectar with natural. This one just says essential oils. Recently, the newer ones say natural essential oils, so I was ready to say that. Here we go. So I love this. As soon as I open this, I can smell it. Wow, I love it. I love it. I know not all of you guys love You're the One. It's okay, friends. Like I've always told you, we don't have to love the same things. We just have to love on each other. That's it. Pumpkin carving. It is freshly carved pumpkin, spiced pumpkin seeds, smooth brown sugar with natural essential oils. See how that one said natural essential oils? I was ready for that. And this is a strong pumpkin. Beautiful scent. This pumpkin scent to me was done well. This pumpkin spice, whatever, was not. Vampire blood. I'm going quickly because I really do have to go. Okay, there are the notes. You can read it for yourself, friends. There you go. And then we have girlfriend. Here are the notes for that one. Pause and read that to yourself, please. And wicked apple. We have the notes right there. All right, friends. There is my haul from these two boxes. I definitely think, as much as I love pink, I think I like the fox more. So I think I'm going to exchange that one for the fox. And here you go. I'm excited. I love, love, love my candles and I love my haul. And again, you guys don't see the wicked, no wait, not wicked. Why am I just looked at that. The Haunted Nights candle, the backup, because I think I'm going to exchange this one for it. It wasn't going to be that one. I actually was going to get it on the next sale, but since I don't like the way that smells, I'll just go ahead and exchange that one. All right, friends. Love you guys. See you until the next one, my friends. Stay blessed. Bye.